wonder.
For those of you who are here for the first time, do we have any first timers? Let's see who's a first timer here. Hi, lovely, lovely, hi, welcome everybody. So, now you can know this. So here in Expo, not only we have amazing pavilions from almost every single country of the world, we have great food and restaurants from every place in the world, and guess what? We also share the culture, the performances, the art from every place in the world. So, what you see behind me, it's a very nice chance to realize that, you know what, the only thing that makes us all come together and we can actually understand each other is through art, through culture, through music. So we're gonna have a very nice fusion of music here today at C-Stage. So let me start by here. Over here, we have Mr. Modu representing West Africa. He's gonna be playing the djembe and the cajon. Please give it up for him. Over here, our lead instrument of the evening, of the afternoon, yes? Our lead instrument of the afternoon, representing Serbia, Eastern Europe, we have Mr. Nikola Serbic, yeah? Nikola. Okay, where is Serbia? Serbia is not Eastern Europe for you? Okay, but the Balkan is in the Europe map, is on the east. Okay, representing the Balkan region, we have Mr. Nikola playing the clarinet. He said he's actually representing Ajman. So over here, representing the Arab world, we have Mr. Jassim playing the darbuka. Please give it up for him. Awesome. See, it's Sunday, we have Bassem. And over here, playing the balafon. Okay, you better pronounce your name because you always say it better than me. Playing the balafon, we have Mr. Yusufa. Please put your hands together for him, please. Now, these guys, so as you can see, we have Africa, we have the Middle East, and we have the Balkans.
Yes.
Europe, now he said Europe and Ajman as well. So guys, this is the true representation that what we wanted to do here. We wanted to say, you know what, music, we can combine different people with different instruments from every single part of the world that you will think, does a balafon go with a clarinet? Well, actually yes, and this is the beauty of Expo 2020 Dubai, guys, mixing cultures and people all together. One thing I want to ask you before the show, as you know, we are all masks are no longer mandatory anymore, but because there's a lot of people and there's a big crowd today in Expo, we are still encouraging people to wear their mask so you can stay in your best health and come back again. And without any further ado, please put your hands together for clarineting groups.